Also this one is for 50. And then this one is for 80. Chocolate. Barista cookies yun. 520. And then this is stock bucket. 360. And then this is Starbucks chocolate sundae. Ito. Christmas nila. So here's the ornaments also from Christmas. And then mga coin purse. Dalawang piraso siya ito. Ayan o. So 480, 480. And then ito yung Christmas. So this one is plain white. 550. And this one yung mga design. 100. This one is cute. This snowman. And 580. Also this one, I'd like to show you. 550. Ito talaga sa lamig. And this one, isa natin ang dami ng collection ngayon. Also this one, Baliktaran. Ito sa likod niya. So this one is 580. And then also this one, 580. 580, 580. Ang bibigat. This one, parang last year may ganito na. 620. Ito yung mga tumbler ng Christmas. This one, 700. Kasi ito yung blue. So, ibalik na natin. So, dito tayo. So, of course, meron silang barista na Christmas. How much? Yung nakalagay how much. Balik na natin. What about this one? Wala ito. So, ito, MIIR collaboration. So, 1, 2. Ito. And then this one. Also, 1, 2. And then this one. Stainless steel, 980. And then this one also. 1, 4. Ito plain lang to. It's 1,050. And then this one, 1,000. And then the red one, yan, may hawakan. May hawakan dito. Yan, okay. 750. So, plastic lang to. And then this one, wala yan. Tagal na yan. And then meron silang, ito exclusive lang to sa Taiwan. And then meron na silang and then, ito na tayo. So this one, ito yung isang Christmas collaboration ng Starbucks. Ay, collaboration. Christmas edition ng Starbucks. So dati meron ako na strawberry rin. Ang laki kasi ng buhanga nito. And then may ito. Parang may ganito na ako. Pero ibang pink and white naman combination. Carousel din yun. So this one is 1,150. Oh my God, mahal. This one is nice. And then this one, yung baliktaran niya. Maybe dito, 700. Ano ba this one? So this one is also Christmas. Parang matte finish siya. 880. Napakamahal naman. Gusto ko ready. And ito naman kasi Stanley collaboration to eh. Dati kasi may lumabas na blue dito, tapos dito is sky blue. And then ito mo, red. Ito red ang handling niya. At saka white. So ito yung bag ng Christmas. Ayan, coffee makes you happy. Ito yung Stanley. Ayan o. Wanted. Ayan, meron Christmas. And then the rest, puro plain na lang. Wala nang iba. And then the other one, ito naman. So this one is 650. Lilibaran niya. London ba ito? Ano bang ano to? And then the other one is this one. Oh, okay. 650. Yung likod niya. Let's see. And then ito. How much is this one? Yung mahilig uminom. 850. Christmas. Mahilig uminom ng tubig isang araw para ma-monitor niyo yung iniinom niyo. Ayan o. Na coffee. And then this one, of course, red is about Christmas, Santa Claus, and happiness. This one is 1,600. I love it. Then the other one is this one, you know. Add ice beverage to change colors. Oh, to change colors. Amazing. And then this one, 650. Plastic siya, plastic. And this one, yung medyo malaki, is 700. Isko. Konti lang difference nila. Di pa lang sa malaki. And then ito yung bag nila also. And then go ba, ito, cute to, ito. Nagustuhan ko to. So this one is 1,000. Ayan o, 1,000. And then this one naman. May hawakan kasi siya. Kaya lang papasukin yung ano, may butas yung ano niya. Siguro na kaya ng istro yan. And then ito yung kanya, simple lang. And then this one is 980. And then the rest, yun lang. Ito na yung buong collection niya ng Christmas. Yung mga yan. Dito sa Starbucks, Taiwan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. At Christmas na, ito yung mga Starbucks nila. Kailangan yung mga points ka lang bago na makuha. Ayan, walang price. Ito. Ornaments. Ayan, ang panlagay sa Christmas tree. This one is cute.